Hey there, in this video, I will show you how to fix error code 403 Roblox. So first of all, search for %app data % and press enter. Now click on app data, click on local and search for Roblox. Right click and proceed to delete the entire Roblox folder. When this is done, open up your Windows setting. Now click on Network and Internet. Under the dial-up, there is VPN. Make sure your VPN is disabled. Now go back and open your Google Chrome browser and search for Roblox install PC and click on the second link. Click on Download Now, which will only take a minute to reinstall. In the meantime, search for Firewall. Click on Allow an app through Firewall. Click on Change Setting and now search for Roblox. Scroll down. Make sure that both of these checkboxes are checked before closing this window. If the content helped you, leave a like on the video, leave a compliment or a suggestion in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel to follow our content. Bye!